Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Alexis Sanderson. She is 9 years old. She has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy, and she can sit relatively independently. She can crawl using more of her legs than her arms. She can walk with two hands pretty well, trunk pretty well, hand a little tricky. When she walks in a walker, she needs help to steer. We're working on standing at something, leaning down to grab something. She really wants this flashlight, so Alexis, stand up here. We're gonna lean down and get it. She has more control with her right hand than her left hand, so let's see if we can get her right hand to lean down and get the flashlight. If you touch it, I'll give it to you. I want your right hand to get it. Right hand has to touch it. Ooh. Good holding on. So it's tricky because she needs to hold on with a hand. You got it? Here, come on up and I'll put it in your hand. Oh! I'm spotting her a little bit, but standing holding on with one hand is tricky, and one of the things we're working on. So it's tricky because she needs to hold on with a good hand, but then her free hand is not as good to be able to hold something. So something simple like this flashlight is perfect. What is it? Was that a sneeze too? I see you love it. All right, can we try it with the other hand now so they can see how good it is? All right, hold on right here. So I'm helping to place this hand because it's stiff. Sorry, you ready, Alexis? So I'm gonna put it down over here this time. So this time it's tricky because her right hand is gonna be holding on. Her left hand has to come down and get it, and she lost it. Let's try it again, Alexis. Hey, sweetie, this hand has to hold on. Got it. You need to hold on, Alexis. She says, yeah. You ready? I've got it. I've got it. I know that's the rudest thing. Excuse me. Alexis, hold on with this hand for this one to go get it. Nice job. So I didn't make it super low. After I get her warmed up, she can go all the way down to the floor. But that's really tricky on this hand because it's a trickier hand. Whoa, hug the refrigerator. Here, this hand can hold on. So this is kind of how I work on stoop and recover. I use these wall grips. I usually do them on a mirror at the office. If I have her trickier hand reaching, she's got her good hand holding on. I don't have her go as low. With the other side, it's hard to hold on for her to reach with her better arm. I hope this is a simple idea that you can do at home to work on stooping and recovering. Trying to learn to grade that control of leaning down. It's not only a balance activity, it's a control of the leg strength to go down and not collapse. Hey, I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.